Hi! Do you need to make a lot of Christmas cards, but you're short on time? Well, I'm going to show you how to make an attractive handmade Christmas card in 3 minutes or less using the Stampin' Up! Wishing You Well stamp set. The Wishing You Well stamp set is more than just a Christmas set, so you'll be able to use this same card idea for other occasions too. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. Here's a closer view of the Wishing You Well stamp set. What makes this exceptionally beautiful is it's a distinctive stamp set. And what I mean by that is Stampin' Up! Has developed a process to make rubber stamps that are realistic with incredible shading. Wait until you see this stamped. And like I was telling you, this is much more than Christmas. It does have season's greetings. We'll be making a wreath for our 3-minute or less Christmas card, but you also have Wishing You Well, the name of it, sending you our thoughts and prayers, and just a note. And also from the holiday catalog, we're going to be using the silver foil edge cards and envelopes. Aren't these beautiful? Look at all that luxury, and priced at less than 50 cents for the card and envelope. And they're also available in the gold foil edge. And so this is going to also help really save us time. So I started designing my Christmas card, my clean and simple Christmas card. I was stamping right on it, and then I changed my mind and I thought, nope, I want to do a little bit of layering. And so I've got some Whisper White cardstock. And so I have got this really awesome tool called the Stamparatus that's going to make doing duplicates really quick and easy and help us get that perfect placement. Just turned out to be the perfect tool for the way my card ended up being designed. So it comes with 2 plates, and I've got the wreath already on here, and it's going to slow me down a little bit because I'm going to do it differently than if I were stamping by myself because of the camera. So I'm not going to put a timer on me, but it's still going to be a really quick card. Now look, another time-saving tip. If I put this in the corner, I don't have to slow down and use magnets. Really like that. And so I've got the shaded spruce classic stamping pad. And so we're just going to pick that up and slide it in. And a little swipe on my stamping sleeves because look, I tend to get ink on myself opening and closing my pads or whatever. And so we ink that up, and then we close our plate. Now, when you're close to the hinge, because it's raised up a little bit more, you need to press over here. But it's still worth the time to me because I don't have to mess with the magnets. Look at that. All right, so we could leave it just like that, but I decided to just make it a little bit deeper, and we get that perfect placement because it can't help but go exactly where we want it. So we'll just go ahead and close that again. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, fantastic. Now, if I were stamping by myself, I would take the next plate and come from the top. But see, I'm out of the camera shot. So instead, I'll just remove this. Put this over here. There we go. And the next color I have is the Merry Merlot. Isn't that pretty? So again, slide it open, slide, and a little swipe because we don't want to get ink on our clean and simple Christmas card. Ink that up. Get that in the corner. There we go. I just press everywhere. So I looked at that and just thought that bow is gorgeous, but I want it to be more opaque. Okay, so that's when I decided to use the Stamparatus. Because I thought, nope, I want to be able to hit that just the same place twice and get that nice and deep. Look at that. That shading is just amazing. The sheer ribbon, that's how you'd be able to see through it like that. And all that shading is just remarkable. Okay, so this is what's so cool about the Stamparatus. Not only do you have 2 plates, but that they're removable. Look, you turn this around, put it back in, and we have our greeting on there. So I'm going to use the Merry Merlot again. Now, and the other thing is if you don't stamp well, you just ink it a second time. But there we go. Oh, look at that. And so all we have left to do now is to put it on our silver foil edged card. And we're going to make it a little bit extra special by using Stampin' Dimensionals. I know it's funny, but something so simple really dresses up a card. So these are foam adhesive dots. And I like one at each corner, and when a piece is big, not that I find this to be all that big, I like one in the center for support too. So we'll use, there we go. And then a tip to make those easier to get off, you just press down with your thumbnail, then the edge of the backing of your Stampin' Dimensional, just it raises it up, making it easy to pop that off, to peel that off, and place that on there. Doesn't that silver just make this extra special? So there we go. We've got a clean and simple Christmas card that you can make in 3 minutes, seriously, or less. And then with the Stamparatus, you can just make a slew of these in no time at all. If you'd like to make my Wishing You Well card, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.